What up, guys? I am so excited to get started on a new project that I've been waiting for a long time to do, which is the redesign, a complete redesign of our product Prospero. This is actually about to be the third time we're completely doing a redesign, but the last one was about a year ago. And so I want to share with you every step of the way. This time I want to get it right. All of the last versions, the first one and the second one, were done super quickly without too much thoughts and without a real process behind them in about a day or two. This time I have about 2 weeks for this project, and also I'm going to have a help of an intern, Gotham, the awesome designer that's helping me. And so I want to get this right and want to take you on the journey with me. So first of all, why am I doing this right now and what am I trying to achieve? So basically, we've launched Prospero almost a year ago, exactly almost a year ago. And during that year, what we mainly did was try to understand what are the features that our customers most care about. So we didn't know, so we implemented new features and saw what worked and what didn't work. And we had to do this super quickly. So every time we added a new feature, we didn't kind of have a design system or a design framework to work with. We just designed it the best that we can, again, super quickly, to see if this worked or not. And so from UX perspective, we've made some mistakes and some things are not clear, some things are not very easy to do. The main thing that I think right now is holding us back is kind of the proposal creation wizard, which is a core experience in the project, is how you create new proposals and you go step by step. I think it's not well designed. I think it's not optimal process. It's a bit too slow with too many steps, and the thing is that this is the process that most users get started with on their first trial, and a lot of them are dropping out on this phase. So I want to try and fix that. Second issue is actually from kind of UI or visual perspective, because again, we didn't thought globally and holistically about the product, and so the typography, the layout, the colors are not consistent, not very good. We got a lot of feedback about having kind of a dark interface that doesn't work well when you're creating documents, and so I want to fix this. I want to create something that will be like really high end, also from a branding perspective, because one of the core values that our product is giving our audience is, and our customers, is actually to present themselves like super professional freelancers, right? The proposal is beautiful and well designed, and so I feel like the product itself and the UI and the whole experience of creating the document should also be like top quality, super professional and neat looking. And so that's what I want to convey with the new UI and the new kind of like visual language of the product. The third thing is just practical. Our current product is not responsive, and so you cannot create new proposals on mobile. Now, most people are probably not going to do it in mobile anyway. About 10% of people sign up to Prospero from the mobile, but still we're losing those 10% of people, which we can. And so this version is actually going to be responsive, so people can actually create proposals on their mobile phone, which I think will be an awesome value. So the first step, what I'm going to be focusing on today, because today I already did my kind of deep work session, and it was pretty short because I have some meetings coming up. So what I focused on today is doing kind of UI research. Tomorrow I'm going to do the UX research using a tool called Full Story. But today I just went over a lot of products and kind of did lots of screenshots. I want to show you. I've collected them here on the InVision boards. It's actually the first time that I'm using this product, which is pretty nice. And the reason is because I want to share this with our intern so he can add also his reference and inspiration. So first of all, I kind of created sections here. So I checked out and played with document editors, a bunch of them, to see kind of how they handle editing text, creating multiple documents, and stuff like that. I've reviewed our competitors, see how they handle a lot of the situations that we have to handle as well. And actually, I think my best kind of reference, or the reference that I like more, is Squarespace. That's not like proper document editing, it's a website creation. But I think from a branding perspective, they are positioned where I want to position Prospero, like super, super crafted. Everything is very, very neat. The typography is super well, and their interface is also pretty beautiful, as you can see from the screenshots here. Everything is very, very neat. Type is very nice. The pop-ups, everything is super, super clean, and I like this. And their colors are already pretty close to ours, kind of with the gray background, in comparing to a lot of, as you can see, most products are kind of white when they're focusing on documents. So they're super, super clean. And I think that there is a benefit in the reason that I went with the black color is because I wanted to create something that's different from everything that's, that I don't want to look like another document manager, Google Doc or something like that. I want to look like something completely different. So maybe I did that a bit wrong or a bit too dark with the interface that we have right now. But I still want to find a way to kind of differentiate ourselves through the interface and through the experience. So that will be different. Now, something that I've noticed around here is that most of these tools are like, I would say, serious. I don't know, there's nothing like fun about them. There's no like fun icons. Some of the texts are a bit funny, so that's where they kind of put in emotion. And I want to think about that, like, because in a sense, as I've said, I want this product to be very, very serious, and like not serious, but like high end, feel super professional. But then again, I want it to be cool as well, not too serious, like, also because we are creative freelancers, and I know that our customers are like people who like to enjoy. I want this product to be something that they really, really enjoy. So this was the first step. I didn't do anything like proper with this. I'm just going to share this with our intern. He's going to add, I hope, his own reference, and we're going to let this sync. And we're also probably going to use this for reference when we're creating the typography and the layout, kind of like look what looks good, because I think that right now our typography on Prospero is not super, super well made, and that's one of the things that I want to improve as well. So that's the first step, just a minor step, but the first step is also super important. As I've said, tomorrow I'll be focusing on doing user research to understand how to fix the user experience problems that we have right now. I'm super excited about this project. All right, hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you tomorrow.